I'm a student of BrighterDays CodeLab, and I came in as a blank slate, like tabula rasa, nothing. Like the only thing I knew how to do was to use keyboard, which is nothing. No. So the first day, on the day of interview, I saw so many codes on the board. In my mind, I was like, this one for me, this thing. I'm not sure it's from you because it was looking funny. Like I didn't even know what programming was. Can you imagine? So I didn't even believe I was going to get picked actually, because I was just looking like I'm not sure I even answered the questions correctly and all. And so luckily for me, or fortunately, God was on my side. I got picked and the whole program started. And even when it started, I was still skeptical about, oh, this thing looks difficult, blah blah blah. But God's so good. 6 months sounds like a lifetime when I count the skills I've gotten. Okay, so now I can create websites. We've learned a lot of 3 different ways to build websites: HTML, CSS, and we're even using Python framework Django to actually develop websites. How to build a mobile application as a skill. So now we can use that using Flutter framework to build cross-platform applications on iOS, Android, even on web platform too. And that it did not end here. We also learned UI, UX, wireframing. So we also learned at the end of it, we got into data science, and it's been awesome. We've been using so many different data to actually learn how to view data, use data, remove data that are not needed, and all of those things. And also, okay, now I have delved into AI with the team. The team actually was divided into 3 parts. Some are going fully into mobile, some are going fully into web, and I am one of the people that are going fully into AI, machine learning, and the rest. So it's been awesome so far. And if you ask me when I started this whole thing, that do you believe that in 6 months' time you'll be able to do this or know this and know that, I would say it's highly impossible. Like it's highly impossible. It's been interesting, and this is just a definition of all things are possible. So okay, aside from the tech skills, we also gain soft skills like digital marketing, leadership skills, and entrepreneurship skills as well. So it's been beautiful so far. And if you have any doubts, and if you were like me that feels like I can't do this, I can't do that, I think you should just try it out and put your mind in it. And honestly, the sky is going to be your beginning, not even your limits. My name is Oma Alele, and I'm a student of BrighterDays CodeLab. So in AI, currently I'm working on a project. AI is divided into different parts. As in machine learning, there's recommendation, there's automation, and the rest. So I'm working on a recommendation system project, whereby I don't know if you've ever used Google or Netflix or YouTube, and then you just try to search for a particular thing, and before you know it, something similar to that, something that you probably think you're going to search next just pops up, and you don't even have to search for it and all of those things. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm working on currently. So for instance, when I go on Google to search for a particular thing, it just gives me like something similar. Like for instance, let me say I search for a natural hair product, let's say argan oil or something. When I'm done searching and reading about it, before I know, I'll just decide to scroll up a little bit, and I'll start seeing other oils like essential oils, almond oil, and the rest of them. So it's a beautiful thing. So you don't have to like go through all the stress. Or when you're searching for a particular movie, let's say you search for a movie like Venom, it's an horror movie. You don't have to like start searching for other. You just start bringing you pop-ups on the movies that are similar to that movie, that are horror movies or that have same feel as the one you search for. So it's beautiful, and it helps you as a user to reduce the stress of things you look for, and it gives you more. It supplies you with more fun and more feel how you enjoy the website, and also it helps business people, as the web owners or the site owners or the app owners, to be able to get more audience and make more sales on whatever it is they are doing. So that's basically it for my project, and I hope you see it and enjoy it and get to use it as well. Thank you. My name still remains Oma Alele.